Natural light has a powerful impact on how a home feels. Bright rooms appear more open, welcoming, and comfortable, while darker spaces can feel closed off or smaller than they really are. For homeowners in Eagle, picture windows are one of the most effective ways to maximize natural light and transform everyday living spaces. With their expansive glass design and clean look, picture windows bring sunlight deep into the home while enhancing comfort and visual appeal. Designed for uninterrupted sunlight, picture windows are fixed windows, meaning they don't open or close. This design eliminates bulky hardware and dividers, allowing for a large, uninterrupted pane of glass. In Eagle living spaces, this wide glass surface captures significantly more sunlight than many operable window styles. The result is brighter rooms throughout the day, even in areas that previously felt dim or underlit. Creating brighter, more open interiors, natural light has the ability to visually expand a space. Picture windows flood rooms with daylight, reducing shadows and eliminating dark corners. For Eagle homeowners, living rooms, dining areas, and family spaces feel more open and spacious when filled with natural light. This can make the entire home feel lighter, airier, and more comfortable without changing the floor plan. Enhancing views while bringing the outdoors in picture windows don't just increase light, they frame outdoor views beautifully. Whether overlooking nearby greenery, open skies, or scenic surroundings, picture windows create a strong visual connection between indoors and outdoors. In Eagle homes, this connection adds to relaxation and enjoyment, making living spaces feel more peaceful and inviting. Improving light distribution throughout the room. Because picture windows can be larger than standard windows, they allow sunlight to spread more evenly across the room. Light reaches walls, floors, and furnishings without harsh glare or uneven brightness. For Eagle living spaces, balanced light distribution makes rooms more functional for daily activities like reading, entertaining, or working from home. Reducing dependence on artificial lighting. With more daylight entering the home, homeowners rely less on lamps and overhead lights during daytime hours. In Eagle households, this not only improves comfort but also supports energy savings by reducing the need for artificial lighting throughout the day. Highlighting interior design and decor. Natural light enhances interior colors, textures, and finishes. Picture windows allow sunlight to highlight decor, architectural details, and design choices. For Eagle homeowners, brighter interiors make furniture, artwork, and finishes stand out, creating a more polished and visually appealing space. Pairing picture windows with other window styles. While picture windows don't open, they are often paired with operable window styles like casement or awning windows. This combination allows homeowners to enjoy maximum light while still having ventilation options. In Eagle living spaces, this pairing provides the best of both worlds: abundant daylight and controlled airflow. Supporting comfort with modern glass technology. Modern picture windows are designed to maximize light without sacrificing comfort. Advanced glass options help manage heat transfer while still allowing sunlight inside. For Eagle homes, this means brighter interiors that remain comfortable throughout the year, without excessive heat or glare. Ideal placement for maximum impact. Picture windows are commonly installed in areas where light and views matter most, such as living rooms, great rooms, and dining spaces. In Eagle homes, strategic placement ensures picture windows deliver the greatest visual and lighting impact while complementing the home's layout. Professional installation makes the difference. To fully benefit from picture windows, proper installation is essential. Professional installation ensures correct sizing, sealing, and placement. For Eagle homeowners, expert installation helps picture windows perform as intended and deliver lasting light, comfort, and visual appeal. A bright upgrade for Eagle living spaces. Picture windows are an excellent way to maximize natural light and transform living spaces. By offering expansive views, even light distribution, and brighter interiors, they enhance both comfort and style. For homeowners in Eagle, Picture windows provide a simple yet powerful upgrade that makes everyday living spaces more enjoyable and inviting.